Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Missouri, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Missouri. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback code and links. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card in Missouri, United States, or PayPal, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and articles about all coins. Now, we can click list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find information about important cryptocurrencies, best cryptocurrencies. Yes, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash and others. Now, we need information about Bitcoin. We can click this button, info button. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click. Let's go.